Close your eyes. Imagine the sound of birds singing, the rustling of leaves in the wind, and the scent of rain-soaked earth. Nature has a language, one that speaks directly to our hearts. It reminds us to slow down and just be. In the embrace of a forest, every tree holds a story of growth, resilience, and harmony. The sunlight filters through the branches, casting golden patterns on the ground, while the air feels fresher, clean, like it's meant to heal you. Here, surrounded by this natural cathedral, we find something profound, a connection to something bigger than ourselves. And then there's the ocean, a force of endless rhythm and power. Waves crash against the shore as if whispering secrets that only the brave can hear. The salty breeze fills your lungs and suddenly the weight of the world feels lighter. Standing here, you realize nature isn't just outside us, it's within us. It calms our storms and ignites our dreams. Even in the smallest spaces, nature works like magic. A garden, a single flower, a patch of green. It's enough to remind us that growth takes time, but beauty is always possible. With every bloom, nature whispers, "Keep going, life will find a way." Nature doesn't demand anything from us. It only asks that we pause and listen. In its stillness, we find peace. In its beauty, we find hope. And in its endless cycle of life, we remember we are never truly alone. Let nature heal you. It's been waiting all along. Like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe for more videos about living a healthy lifestyle.